Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe this channel. So in this video, we are going to learn one more tips and trick, and you can say the common mistake in Go language. If we learn this, we will also improve the programming of Go language. So you see that I am declaring a variable x, and here I am passing the value nil to this x variable, and I'm just initializing this variable, or I'm using this variable this side, or I can use fmt also to print this value like this, and now I just try to execute this. You see we have an error, use of untyped NIL in variable declaration. You see, so what is the meaning of this? It is the meaning that without declaring a type of this value, you can't initialize the NIL. So we have to declare it type first, like this. If I declare it int data type like this, so int cannot be nil, so I have to pass some initial value like 0 or something else like this. Okay, it can pass nil, but if we want to pass a nil like this in any variable, that means that should not be data type, it should be some reference type of data. So that would be like this interface. You see, this may be like of this interface where x interface nil. So here we passing here nil to the x variable, but of interface type. The reference is interface type. So if I save it and try to execute it, you see we having a nil, because we have nil inside this, so I displaying the nil. So like this we can use. So we have learned in this video that we can't initialize a variable as a nil without specifying the type of that variable. So nil is only possible to pass in slices, in map, in structure or in interface. So it's not allowed to pass in any predefined data types. So I think you have learned one more thing in this video. If you really like this video, if you really learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.